Time is the cruelest illusion. You imagine your desire and call it done, yet you crawl back to the clock as though it were your master. Every moment you wait, you proclaim doubt. Creation is not waiting to happen. It is finished, sealed, and yours, the instant you dare to assume. The clock is the shadow, powerless to hinder the fact of imagination. Bow to time, and you deny the law itself. You say, if the money does not come by the end of this month, I am finished. So you pace the floor at night, counting the days, as though each sunrise were a judge passing sentence. Your pillow is wet with fear, and yet the wealth you long for lies waiting, unseen, already yours, if only you would cease bowing to the calendar. You say, I am too old, the chance is gone, my season is past. So you shrink into yourself, envying the young, cursing the mirror, as though the lines upon your face were iron bars locking you away. And yet, it is not age that binds you, but the illusion you serve, the false god of time. I tell you, man condemns himself by serving the clock. He kneels to hours, he worships deadlines, he fears calendars, and in doing so he forfeits the one truth that would set him free, that creation was finished the moment he dared to assume. To imagine is to act, and to endure is to prove. The very moment you dare to affirm, creation answers. There is no waiting in creation. It is finished the instant you claim it as fact. You measure by clocks and calendars, but I tell you, delay is the deception of the senses. The harvest does not ripen because of time, but because you refuse to doubt. Stand firm, continue, and you shall see the invisible solidify into fact. I tell you, the law never fails, and it will not fail you unless you betray it by surrendering to time and postponement. Be you great or small, noble or base, it makes no difference. The law is no respecter of persons. It moves only by conviction, by trust, and it yields only to steadfast perseverance. Stand in your assumption, and all the powers of the world will conspire to prove you true. The course shaped by your former imaginations must run to its end. What you call delay is but yesterday's assumption, unfolding in its appointed hour. So I ask you, will you bow to the tyranny of time, counting the hours as your master? Will you chain yourself to calendars and clocks and call that slavery reality? Or will you rise this night and stand now in the fact of your creation? Will you dare to live as though it were already done, because it is? Do not concern yourself with the chain of seeming events. You need not know the way. Continuance compels the way. The world will rearrange itself. Strangers will play their part, and every step will conspire to bring forth the fact you already claimed. Every second you bow to time, you deny your own power. Creation is finished. Delay is the grandest illusion. The clock is not your master, it is your servant, and it must obey the one who dares to believe.